Welcome dear viewers. Most of the time we go in a table to find or delete duplicates. We do one by one manually, which is time consuming and tiring. In case if this table is an Excel table, so you can do it in a single click, or in case if it's a .doc file or txt file and any xyz, so bring that to Excel and delete all the duplicates at once. How it is does, let's go to the screen. So now it's table of Excel, Saeed, J.Q. Khan and many others are mentioned with colors, so you can see duplication are existing. So let's go and find what we do mostly in our daily life. Right click and delete. Then we go after another and or we select range and right click and delete. It's manual way, leave it and do it by just one click. So undo this and go back to the table and just watch. Now go to data, select remove duplicate, this sign, and now this wizard appears. So remove serial number and number at the end. Leave the name because we are removing duplicates from over here. So you will not see any same color of duplication. Just OK. Now 8 duplicates are deleted. However, SAEED and SAED are two different, so therefore they are not duplicates. 8 duplicates we have removed. Now let's go and do it in entire table. For example, select the range, go to data, and again remove duplicate. By pressing this time, already 2 columns are automatically selected. Click OK. Now 7 duplicates have been removed. So let's see, say 333 number, and let's go down. The same color Saeed with 111 number. So they have different in second column. Therefore, remaining exact match have been removed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my video.